Express 7 over 25 as a percentage. Just as we did in the first example, we will now convert 7 over 25 into a percentage. Solution. 7 over 25 multiplied by 100 over 1, leaving your answer in percent. Now we have 7 times 100 over 25 times 1 percent. Now you can go on to multiply this, or you could just go on to write 7 times 100 over 2 times 25 times 1 will give us 25. Still in percent. Now I have done this because 25 is a factor of 100, so we can easily break it like this by saying 25 here 1, and then 25 here will go 4 times. So now we are left with 7 times 4%. And 7 multiplied by 4 will give us 28. So our answer is 28%. Write down a fraction and then apply this method to convert that fraction into a decimal. Thank you.